Hello everyone, this is Jasmine from Cats Me Wow Designs. Thank you for stopping by today. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. If you are interested in more crafting and design videos, then please stick around by hitting the subscribe button and clicking on the bell so that you'll be notified of all of my new videos. So today I have an exciting video for you guys. And I'm happy to say that I have partnered with the Wondershare Filmora for the Certified Creative Program to share tutorials and videos about their awesome program. I've tried a lot of different video editing software over the years, and theirs is the best one that I have ever tried. Here are 5 reasons that you need to switch to Wondershare Filmora right now. Number 1, the user interface. I'm going to be honest, I hate having to learn new programs, and I always have a hard time, especially when I have used another program for months or even years. That said, this spring I tried Filmora for the first time and I was blown away. The interface is completely user-friendly and everything is labeled and the way that it is set up is just how you would expect it to, and it makes sense. I could create an awesome video in seemingly no time at all. Number 2, the features. There are so many different features and settings that you can use to create professional looking videos. Did you know that they have hundreds of free transitions? I couldn't believe it. They also have titles, effects, and elements, all sorts of different things for you to try. The possibilities really are endless. You can also record your screen in excellent quality and edit the sound to just the way that you like it. Have you been wanting to make an epic video for YouTube Shorts or TikTok? Guess what? You can even make a video in portrait mode just for that purpose, or even make a square video made for Instagram. So we have our project media that we add right here. They also have shared media, sample colors for backgrounds, sample videos that you can use, and also these super cool green screen effects. They also have some audio, and one of my favorite features is if you're worried about getting charged for it, you can click on this button right here and you can click free, and it will only show you the options that are free. And then the same with the titles and the transitions. I have never seen this amount of transitions before. In any of the programs that I've used. It's super handy. And they also have, which is super cool, seasonal ones. So like this Paris sketchbook one is one of the newer ones that they have added. They also have a modern material pack, which is super cool, in addition to your basic ones. So regardless of whether you want more of like a traditional one or a 3D or what have you, everything is included over here on the sidebar. Number 3, Filmstock. Not only do they give you a ton of free transitions, titles, elements, etc., but you can also get the Filmstock Add-on to have thousands of options. I've recently added the Filmstock to my account and have not been disappointed. No matter what the event or the occasion is, you will find everything that you need all in the program. They offer great flexibility, so you can sign up to pay monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on what you need. So for Filmstock, let's see what they have. Titles is one of my favorites to use, and we can use the standard feature to see what we have. This one looks really cool. Let me go ahead and download it real quick, and then you can see over here what it looks like before you add it to your project. So now we can see over here. This would be really cute, obviously, for a wedding, but it could be anything that you would like. They also have the social media, So we have like the end screens, we have the little icons for the various social media, and they even have these ones I believe are all free. But the friends and family one, they have 3D, just basically anything you can think of. My all-time favorite are the transitions, and they have a lot of cute ones. Of course, lately I've been really into space, but they also have like an education chalkboard, an action pack transition, a profile movie pack, like all sorts of different things. And likewise, you can also go through here if you're looking for a specific type of transition, or you can also just type in, in the search box too, which is super handy. So let's say we're looking for one about love for a wedding or for an anniversary. But yeah, they have all of these really cute ones. When it comes to effects, one of my favorite ones are these AI portrait ones, and it tracks really, really well. I was surprised. I don't have a green screen or anything like that, so the fact that it could tell me apart from my background was just amazing to me. Number 4, the price. I couldn't leave this one out. The price is amazing. A lot of companies will have you pay hundreds of dollars for just a small amount of features and for user interface that's terrible. But that is not the way with Filmora. You can pay $50 for 1 year, or for just $30 more, you can get access to Filmora X for life. That's right, I said for life. It's a deal of a lifetime. And if you want to bundle the year subscription of Filmora with the Filmstock, then it's only $150. Those are the standard prices, but they do also run sales and deals, which makes it even better. Number 5, the trial. One of the things that really sealed the deal was that I was able to try it for 30 days, 100% for free. Needless to say that by the end of that month, I was sold and couldn't imagine using any other software. If you think that Filmora might be for you, then click the link that's down in the description box below. I promise you will not be disappointed and you will not regret it. That just about brings us to the end of our video today. I will be posting more Filmora tutorials on the second and last Friday of every month, so be sure to once again hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!